For what value of m can the equation minus 9x square plus 12x minus m is equal to 0 be a perfect square of a linear expression? Now, as we want a perfect square of a linear expression, that means the roots must be equal. And the condition for roots equal is delta is equal to 0. Delta is equal to 0, that means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is, b square should be equal to 4ac. Now, if we compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form, we get a is equal to minus 9, b is equal to 12, and c is equal to minus m. So if we substitute these values in this equation, we get 12 square, that is 144, is equal to 4 into a, that is minus 9, into c, that is minus m. Now minus into minus, we can say that it becomes plus. Now 144, if we divide it by 9, you get 16. 16, if you divide further by 4, you get 4. And that's how we get the value of m as 4. So we can say option A is the answer.